Hello YouTube friends. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Please subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get the latest video updates. Last month, Lexus announced that the RXL would receive a limited edition Black Line trim for the 2022 model year. However, absent was any mention of the regular RX. Lexus is rectifying that omission today by announcing that the RX is also receiving the Black Line treatment for 2022. The Black Line trim will be available on both the Lexus RX 350 and the RX 450 hours, giving both models a modest visual makeover with darkened trim and other upgrades. The Black Line kit includes 20-inch black wheels and lug nuts, a black lower front bumper, black mirrors, and a black Lexus spindle grille. The trim's touches are subtler at the rear, with Lexus swapping out the nameplate badge for a black one. The 2022 Lexus RX Black Line will be available in Eminent white pearl and Caviar. The black theme continues inside with black open pore wood trim, black new luxe seats, and light gray contrasting stitching throughout the interior on the seats, the steering wheel, the upper instrument panel, the center console, and the shift boot. Lexus is including all the strappings of its premium package on the Black Line models, which includes its memory system and more. The Black Line trim is a visual upgrade only, allowing the crossover to offer a bit of variety in its styling. Lexus is limiting the production of the RX Black Line, just like it did for the RXL Black Line, though the smaller crossover will have a larger production. Lexus plans to produce 2,500 RX Black Line models for North America, 2,100 of which will be the gas model while the other 400 will be the hybrid variant. Pricing for the RX 350 Black Line starts at $49,450, while the 450 hours AWD begins at $52,150. Prices exclude the destination charge. That's about a $4,000 premium over the entry-level price for both variants.